everybody, Josh Barkey here with MBRP, and today we have the 2.7 liter twin turbo Ranger behind me. Now I'm excited to show you what MBRP's got, but first let's take a look at the stock system. Now this stock system is large. It's got this massive front resonator, it's got a massive muffler, obviously no flare from an exhaust tip perspective, but what we've got going on underneath the truck is a lot more exciting. So let's take a look and show you what we got. So for starters, MBRP always starts behind the catalytic converter. So we pick up here behind the factory flex pipes. So here we've got a laser cut flange connecting to the factory joint, 1/2 inch hanger rod. This system here is our Armor Pro Series T304 stainless steel. This system will also be available in our Armor Light and Armor Black. But carrying on with the tubes, we've got high flow 2.5 inch tubing going into a high flow perforated muffler. Now, these turbos like to breathe. They need that perforation to make sure they get the most power. We carry on to our 304 stainless steel band clamps, 3-inch mandrel bent tubing for high flow rates as well. And we finish it off with our signature dual wall MBRP exhaust tip. Now that we've gone through the system, let's get this thing down on the ground outside and show you what it sounds like. Now this system is also available in 2 other options. We have our Armor Light, which is an aluminized steel, and our Armor Black, which is a black coated tailpipe and tip. Now all these are coming your way. Be sure to go to your local dealer or MBRP.com to find out more.